eWishHub's Merry Christmas Extravaganza. Discover festive finds at Ace Hardware. Craft your Christmas magic. Turn your home into a winter wonderland with Ace Hardware's festive treasures on eWishHub. Explore a world of DIY delights and discover the perfect tools, decorations, and accessories to transform your space into a holiday haven. Dive into the spirit of home improvement and craft your Christmas magic with Ace Hardware. Pro Shops Outdoor Oasis, gifts for adventure enthusiasts. Make this Christmas an adventure with Bass Pro Shops' exclusive collection on eWishHub. From outdoor gear to camping essentials, find the perfect gifts for the adventure seekers in your life. Explore Bass Pro Shops Outdoor Oasis and unwrap the joy of gifting for those who love the great outdoors. eWishHub is your one-stop destination for a Christmas filled with joy, DIY magic, and outdoor wonders. Shop Ace Hardware and Bass Pro Shops to make this holiday season unforgettable for you and your loved ones.